Imagine GANs as two AI systems playing a game. One AI, called the Generator, creates new content. The other AI, known as the Discriminator, evaluates this content against real-world examples. If the Discriminator can't tell the difference between the generated content and real-world content, the Generator wins. If the Discriminator can tell the difference, it sends feedback to the Generator to improve. This game continues until the Generator becomes so good at creating content that the Discriminator can't tell the difference. This process, while seemingly complex, allows AI to create stunningly realistic content, from images and videos to text and music. So, you see, it's not magic that makes AI create content, it's the power of algorithms, the richness of data, and the iterative learning process that enables AI to generate such impressive content. So, it's not magic, but the power of algorithms and data that enables AI to generate content. Now that we understand how AI creates content, what does this mean for our future? It's a question that holds a universe of possibilities. AI's potential impact on content creation is vast. It promises increased efficiency, allowing creators to produce more content in less time. Imagine having your own AI assistant to generate personalized content, tailored to individual preferences, at the click of a button. However, this brave new world isn't without its potential challenges. We must address ethical considerations such as the authenticity of AI-generated content and the implications for originality and copyright. Furthermore, as AI becomes more proficient, there's the potential for job displacement in the content creation industry. Despite these challenges, the future of content creation with AI is exciting. With careful management and thoughtful dialogue, we can navigate these uncharted waters. As we move forward, the canvas of the future will likely be shaped by the unseen artist, AI.